Welcome in my class, dear students. Now you see this is 7th class your activities. This is flower pot. First you draw here flower, roughly you draw. Okay. See, like this way you can draw. This is pot and this stems also, this leaf also. Here is flower and with the craft paper. This is two activity with the craft paper. This is first one. Okay. Now you see how do you draw pot. See, fold your paper, craft paper, and like this way half you draw. This is pot. First you draw everything. After then you take this square piece. This is square piece and you fold like this way. First you make one triangle, second triangle and third triangle. Okay. After then this is always keep in your mind, this is close side and down, this is also close, and this side you draw leaf. Like this way you draw leaf. Okay, this is one pattern. This is second pattern. See, this one, and this is third pattern. This is three type flowers. Like this way you draw everything, and you can take different colors. And this stems, how do you draw? This is first you fold. This is 1 2, you want 5 stems, 3 4 and 5, and here you draw. This is like this way. And after then cutting, this is, see, this is cut, this is like this way, this is cut together. Okay, and now leaves left, these leaves left. First you fold this paper and draw here one leaf and cut this paper. And now you see, like this way you fold. And you can cut together your all leaves. If extra paper you can cut. This is, after then you cut together your all leaves like this way. See, this is my leaves. I already cut. This is your stems and this is your flower after cutting. See, this is flower, your big small no problem, but you cut neat and clean. This is very carefully you cut. This is see, this is your pot. You're cutting over. Now you see how to paste. This is first you pour paste here, you keep here your pot and put dots. Okay, now you see, first you keep the stems. This is long, you cut this is no need to small, all this is long. But when you start the pasting, then keep distance and adjust your things. Leaves also. This is downside like this way. Cover your this space with leaves also, no problem. Okay, this is your choice. And after then you paste pot here. And flowers, a big flower, this is space in center. See, like this way you paste this is. This one also you paste in center. After pasting, outline also, see, like this way. Like this way you complete your flower pots. And leaves also, this is you paste more, this is very less. So like this way you complete your flower pot with the top papers. So this is your flower pot. Okay, like this you complete this one, your flower pot. This is your first activity. And see, this is your second activity. Okay, this is landscape. This is also with craft paper. This is night scene. First background, this is with black, and between this is blue, down this is yellow. Like this way you paste. This is after then you start the pasting up mountains, bushes and tree and board. Okay, this is some easy. So just only here is cutting. Like this way you complete your both activities, and Monday I want to check your both thing. So those students regular absent in my class, please see carefully and complete your both activity and complete this your work. Okay, goodbye students.